Welcome back, guys. So now we're continuing with the assembly, and we'll start off by this lead screw for the y-axis. So it's this one. So this one is the used that we got from the guys at Dynamite, and this one is in a lot better condition than the one that was there. So we'll begin with putting the bearing on this side. New ones, FAG. Like so. Then the next step would be to push it through here. And then before we put it any long further, we'll put the next bearing on. So if anyone is wondering what model on the bearings, it's 51105 on these ones. And the next bearing, like so. Oh, that went smoothly. Good. Then the next one is the retainer nut. This is so much nicer than what it was when we disassembled it. Let's see, just to have enough space. We'll go a bit further also, like so. Then the next one we'll put on the housing, which will then connect the drive up to the x-axis and not to the table. Let's see, looks like this. And now I pre-assembled this one, this bushing that will go over this Y thread. So that should be the next step then. Let's see if I can make it without scratching that much of the paint. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, girls for that matter. So, then as you can see, there's a groove for a key. That will be, that's for a sprocket, which is down here. You can see two, I don't know if you can see, but there's two sprockets here. And I'll go fetch the other sprocket that will go on the outside, like so. Will sit here and will be connected to this shaft. So let's put that one here for now. And then the next one should be this small ring. Put that one on. Then a sleeve that one. Looks like there's some small. Let's see. I think we need to tap it a bit. Then Tobias has to help me. Can you hold this end?
Mm-hmm.
Then hammer. Like so. Then the next step should be to put the key in place. Wherever I put that one. Oh. Yes. Now I have the key installed in the keyway, so that should then go try to fit it in with the other gears here. So let's try to put them in some way in the middle, and hopefully we can get that then to go in quite easily. I don't know how easy it will be, but hopefully we have luck with us. So this is like threading a needle. I think I'll pull that one out just to see. Okay, so that one is now pointing towards you. And I can push it in. Out a bit.
Out.
Yes. Like a bit more. And then a bit more in again. Like so. And it should be pointing upwards. Where do we have the screw? Is the gear moving?
Yes. Yeah. Moving.
No, it was something that fell.
No, it was just this one.
Okay.
Yes, moving.
should try to press the key if it's not really in the right place. Like so. And it's turning again.
Yeah.
Yo,
Massage.
a bit of massage.
Yeah, moving. Good. Sorry. Oh, okay. You're there.
Ooh, that was nice. Okay, then we can screw this one here, and then we have the pin that we'll put in. Now it'd be nice to know if we are bottomed out or if it's just the Okay, so now we have that one almost in place. I can see that the hole for the pin is not really aligned with the holes that we have here, so I'm not sure. It looks like the front bearing is in place, but I'm not sure if the rear one, at least it sits flush here, so I assume it's okay, but not really sure what we will do with that one. But yeah, I think we can at least continue with the assembly. Okay, now that we have the lead screw here, we'll leave this one for now just to have to think about it for a bit. Let's see what we'll do if we can, yeah, we'll figure something out. But next one is this, the next screw for that one. it's this shaft, which has a long key groove in it. And then let's see if I can get them in the right order. So we will first, I think we can begin with putting the sleeve that will go on. We'll go here, put that one on first. Put it through here. No, first mistake. We have to put the lid on first. It will then go like so. And we'll have to paint that one then later on, but
Or not.
or not. Let's see how it looks.
I think it looks quite nice. Like it is.
Then I will push that one like so. Let's see if we can get the other ones also. And there will be a gear also on the inside. You just have to check that I will get it to fit in. Yes, like so. And then a lid on the other end, like so.
Check that you have the hole there for the greasing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here.
So a little bit up. I think you need to twist it. Now it looks better.
More where we have the screws. Sorry, I'm now covering the camera, but now I think we should have everything there. So then before we push this one, I'll take a retaining screw for the gear, like so. I'll get an Allen key to yes, that's the right one. And then we also have a slot here for the key. So then this one will come like so. And we will put that one towards us just to, so that we know where to put it. Let's see. I think that one needs a bit of attention.
Actually, we could, before you put it all together, we could give it a little bit of oil.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Oops. Should we also put something?
Yeah, we could put a little bit on the shaft as well. Yep. You.
This would of course maybe good to do on the other side as well, but on the other shaft, but
Yeah.
or on the lead screw, but never mind.
Yeah, I think we can easily oil that one then later on.
Yeah.
Okay, you try. No, not slippery. you tap that or no?
Sure. Is it okay to tap it?
I think so.
It's answering.
Yes. I'll tighten that one down.
Really good. Oops.
No.
Okay, no.
Next one. Let's see if we can get that one. It's a bit off, but I think it will turn then once this one. Yeah,
Sure does.
like so.
Now we could maybe put some oil on the gears.
Yes. Good. I think we should be able just to push that one in, and then like so.
Was a little bit easier to assemble than disassemble.
Yes. I remember it was quite a pain in the ass to get this one disassembled.
Yeah.
I think I'll maybe get a shorter screwdriver to get those tensioned down. Yes, now we have that one. Then we have the gear also here, so that's good. And hopefully we haven't forgotten anything. I'm not 100% sure, but let's hope for the best. And let us know, what do you guys think? Should we paint these also, or should we just leave them like that? I think, well, at least we think it leaves a quite nice contrast to have some surfaces metal colored and others than painted. Okay. And then we're still aligned with the screws.
Yep. A little bit we need to counterclockwise. A little bit more. Okay. Nice.
Ooh, I was a bit nervous when I looked down here. I didn't know that this one
Yeah, I saw it all the
came
time.
down.
No problem.
I was thinking since the gear was in the middle, like fuck, how does that work? Okie dokie. Just a bit more then. Okay. Then I think these flathead screws for this one also.
Oh, okay. Yes.
Very good, very good. I'll take the smaller flathead also to tighten those and stuff. As long as I have
Maybe we need to give it a small touch-up paint to
Yeah, I think
later
so.
on.
Get some small scratches and stuff. So.
It's not really covered everything, so
No.
small touching up.
Okie dokie. Then. Maybe it's this one. Put that one on. I'll go get some sealant.
Yeah, we saw in the comments that somebody wanted us to use a fly cutter once it's ready. So this will be one of, I think, a small project as well to make a fly cutter or something.
Yeah, that would be interesting to try to. I think they should be quite easy. Well, not easy, but simple construction on those. So I think that would be quite fun to try out.
Yeah.
And then we should have some.
Hopefully survive it as well.
Yeah. And then we could get an old or a used or just thrown out head or something just to try it on.
Yep.
And see if that will.
I think I have one.
Ah. I don't think that's one right. It's the same flathead ones. Yeah, those look better. Let's use them. Okay. Where did I put put the left up here. Where was the other? Oh.
That one we need to paint.
Yeah, for sure. I think it's quite cool to see that there are a lot of these parts that are on the machine, they're numbered. So I don't know really if they just make them like, if they machine them so they're paired somehow, or because this is 4213 something. I don't know if it's some kind of production date or.
Or then
Sure.
maybe it's in the exploded. You could check if those are the like
Yeah,
the
no.
part numbers.
Yeah, that could. Yeah, that's true.
Because here it's 512.
Ah, yes.
So maybe it's the drawing numbers.
You're not as dumb as you look. Yeah. Now that you mention it, that makes sense.
I've made enough drawings in my life to know that.
Yeah. All right. Good. That one in place. What's next? Maybe it's time for the table.
Yeah. I think so.
Before we move on to the next thing, I think I'll put this dial on and then a bit of oil. I'll put this one. Should go on quite easily. Yeah. And there's a spring washer. And then the tape. Okay. Very good. Simple as that.
Simple as that. We're now going to install the table. So let's see how that goes.
Hopefully it will go a little bit easier than when we try to lift it. But that turned out to be, since there's a wedge along this edge just to keep the table tight. So I think it was that one that's
Yeah, absolutely.
anchored it. Good. All right, let's see how many fingers we can crush now. Take some of this. Ah, there's a guiding pin on that one. And then I have tape on all this shit. Fudge, I did not do that. Can we lift it again?
Sure.
So the idea was that we would paint this one before we install it, but quick change of plans. We'll install it first and then paint it later. I think this end is quite good. There it is. Perfect. And we have the two long bolts.
Curiosity gets the better of me. Yes.
And then this one should turn.
Yeah.
So it's getting closer.
Yes.
All right. All right. All right. And are we able now to tighten these ones down?
Yeah.
We will do that. All right, one side done. And the other one. Do you want to do the honors?
Sure thing. If I can remember how to do it. Ah. Well, maybe it's easier if you do it now when I hold it.
they come like that? Where is it? Maybe it's tape on this one also. No, it's perhaps it's like this. Oh, I think it looks right the first time. Yeah. Even if it looks a bit weird, but.
It must be.
Yeah. Let's say so too. If you look at the markings here, you can show that there's a.
Not sure how much they can see in the camera.
Ah, yes, true. Yeah. Let's put it like that.
Yeah, yes, no, I got it.
Can you pull it down a bit? I can see where the. Where's the last one? Oh, it's underneath.
Twist it forward a bit. Yes.
Okey-dokey.
Then the wedge.
Yes.
Put some oil.
Yeah. Loom her up. And I think yours. The screw on also. Okay, so we have the wedge, and we will put the. See how can. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Which glue should we use?
Maybe that one.
Looks like that one is the original.
Or maybe it was the other one.
Maybe it was. But I think that's something that we'll just have to adjust once we have everything in place. So that one is good for now.
Yes.
Nice. Finally, everything comes together. Okay, good. On to the next one then.